Think moving trees is easy? Think again. We're checking out some of the most powerful forestry machines in action. Welcome to Titan Tech. Let's roll. There's nothing quite like watching a Kenworth take on a steep, muddy climb while fully loaded with logs. This beast doesn't flinch, doesn't hesitate. It just keeps pushing forward like a warrior charging into battle. Hauling 5-meter logs over rough roads isn't for the weak, but the Actros 2645 LS isn't just any truck. It's got traction control that grips like a mountain goat, a torque-loaded engine that refuses to quit, and a chassis strong enough to handle the toughest conditions. Not every truck is built to handle roads like these. The Taurus Mountains are a brutal test of power, control, and endurance. But this Scania, with its optimized transmission, high-torque engine, and intelligent traction system, it makes steep inclines look like a casual Sunday drive. Navigating tight bends like Xavier Bonadou's is no easy feat, but the Buer 6105 handles it like a pro. This compact powerhouse delivers the perfect mix of torque, traction, and precision steering, making it ideal for hauling logs through the trickiest forest roads. Oregon has a deep history in logging, and rail transport still plays a huge role in moving timber efficiently. The CEFX 2031 GP20D keeps this tradition alive, pulling heavy loads while reducing road congestion and fuel costs. Logging trucks work in some of the toughest conditions, and the FH16750 is built to take it all. With its reinforced chassis, durable suspension, and high ground clearance, this machine doesn't back down from anything. Don't let its size fool you. The John Deere 650J is a logging beast. With its PowerTech 6.8-liter engine, this machine pulls timber like a bull dragging a cart. Muddy trails, steep slopes, no problem. Whether it's handling logs from the water to land or on tricky, uneven terrain, this machine won't let you down. Snow's the final boss for these machines. No matter how tough they are, it's still a fight. The 630E skidder by Tiger Cat is an absolute beast in action, and Dickinson Logging certainly knows how to get the most out of it. With the Tier 4F engine under the hood, it's got the muscle to tackle even the toughest of terrains. Watching a tow tractor drag a truck loaded with wood is like seeing a true workhorse in action. The power this machine brings is undeniable, easily handling massive loads through the most challenging terrains. Watching a tow tractor drag a truck loaded with wood is like seeing a true workhorse in action. The power this machine brings is undeniable, easily handling massive loads through the most challenging terrains. The ATV log hauler is an absolute game changer when it comes to transporting logs. Whether you're working with heavy-duty loads or lighter timber, this hauler has you covered. With two winch options, manual, 725 kilograms, or electric, 1,134 kilograms, you can choose the power that suits your needs. The extended 15-meter cable on the electric version gives you even more reach. And for securing your logs, the two load options, hang and tie system for larger logs or turnable lower frame for lighter timber, make it versatile. When you see a tow tractor drag a truck loaded with wood, you immediately appreciate its incredible pulling power. It's amazing how it can haul such a heavy load through challenging terrain with ease. When the wood monster steps out of the forest, you know that no terrain is too tough to handle. This is a total mess, but honestly, it looks like the dozer driver might have misjudged the situation. Now that's what I call premium lumber, straight from nature's workshop. The Lewis chainsaw winch is like a silent giant in the forest, moving mountains of wood with ease. This portable powerhouse is capable of lifting massive logs like the one downed on Vancouver Island effortlessly into trucks. With a lifting capacity that seems impossible for its size, the winch handles the most challenging logs, all while being compact enough to be portable. This is what I call a real log mafia move. The Volvo FM440 truck, fully loaded on 9 axles, powering through a heavy hill. This is what machines were built for. After a heavy rain, the logging truck faces a whole new set of challenges: slippery roads, muddy patches, and the constant threat of losing traction. But with the right truck, like this one, It's just another day at the office. Got wood. Who knew loading logs could be this easy? No fancy equipment, just pure practicality. Drag it, load it, and transport it. This is how real logging is done, no shortcuts. Too difficult. After years in the field, I can say the John Deere 2154G with the ProPack PP 453 delimber is a real workhorse. It takes on the thickest limbs with ease and doesn't break a sweat. The fluid motion and grip are like watching a beast trained to perfection. cutting down on time without compromising on precision. When you're in tough terrain, this machine is the partner you can count on. The Woodcracker registered trademark L1200 brings heavy-duty power to the forest floor. This hydraulic splitter is built to handle big jobs with its wide 1,200 mm grapple and a massive splitting force of up to 33 tons. Ideal for 80, 150 LL min flow rates, it's all about efficiency and precision. Designed to take on demanding tasks, this machine's 220 to 270 bars working pressure ensures you've got reliable power with every use. When productivity and durability matter, the L1200 delivers. I was holding my breath. My heart was in my throat the whole time. That was wild. Watching the Keto 51 on the Euromac 6500 in action is like witnessing a well-rehearsed dance in the forest. With precision grips and a smooth, efficient log-cutting flow, it brings power right where it's needed. This duo is meant for rugged terrain, with the Spider excavator's flexible legs making quick work of uneven ground. The automation features in the Keto processor let the operator handle the load with just a few motions, maximizing productivity and safety in one swoop. Watching that log truck navigate the snowy, muddy winter road is like witnessing a titan striding through a storm. The snowflakes swirl around it, and the mud splatters like a painter's brush on a canvas. Each turn and bump tests the driver's skill, turning the journey into a thrilling adventure. Witness the artistry behind plywood. After the large coniferous logs are debarked, the Veneer peeling machine works its magic, creating ultra-thin sheets that are then meticulously dried and inspected for quality. With automation handling the heavy lifting, one operator can manage the entire process. It's a brilliant blend of craftsmanship and technology. The Dahl ratio plus steering system is like a compass for tight forest trails. With active intelligent control, it offers absolute track precision, even on narrow, twisting roads, essential when hauling 22-meter-long logs. Its track-to-track feature lets the trailer follow the truck's exact path, making it indispensable for challenging terrains. Now, tight turns are no longer a gamble, but a given. Winter logging in Maine with the Clark 664 is a sight to behold. This machine is a true workhorse, handling rough terrain and icy conditions like a pro. Watching it power through deep snow, maneuvering massive logs, it showcases the strength and reliability of classic forestry equipment. The Clark 664 was built for rugged work, and in Maine's winter landscape, it really shines. The Kenworth C509 is an absolute powerhouse on the road. With its legendary Caterpillar engine, this beast effortlessly hauls hefty loads of timber from Port Adelaide, showcasing reliability that the logging industry counts on. Its robust design and high ground clearance make it a top choice for tackling rugged terrains. No wonder these trucks are still sought after, even with the price tag hitting $180,000 for a fully loaded road train. When you're moving mountains of logs, you need a truck that can handle the weight, and the C509 delivers every time. What a magnificent sight to see the Thunderbird TTY70 tackle that steep mountainside. It's like watching a modern-day Titan conquer nature's toughest terrain. The tracks gripping the slippery slopes provide a perfect blend of stability and power, while the Bowman 8,900 Scyther scuttles alongside like a mechanical guardian. Together, they exemplify the incredible synergy between human innovation and the raw beauty of the wilderness. A true marvel of engineering. Now that's a giant Doug fir, 7 feet across. Talk about a legacy tree. Sad to see advanced decay taking hold, but there's always a chance that base timber could still yield some strong, usable wood. Heavy conch growth and rot halfway up? Nature's way of saying, I'm taking it back. It had one heck of a stand. Nature's reminder of resilience and, in the end, renewal. The Timberjack 208D is more than just machinery. It's a legacy. With a reliable 353 Detroit engine and solid hydraulic performance, this skidder has proven itself over the decades. A combination of good tires, chains, and a sturdy pintle hitch makes it well equipped for any logging job. For those who value both tradition and power in their equipment, the Timberjack 208D is a compelling choice that continues to deliver exceptional results in the forestry industry. Driving a logging truck in Panguipuli? Oh, it's like being in a water park. Those puddles are just nature's way of giving us a free wash. Seriously though, if the trucks could talk, I bet they'd be asking for more adventures on the road. Just another day in the life of a logger. The Belarus MTZ 892 is buried deep in the mud, proving just how tough these forestry conditions can get. Enter the MTZ 1025, built with power and resilience, but ready to rescue its fellow workhorse. Watching the 1025 pull through the mud is like watching a lifeline in action. This is real-world forestry at its best, where grit and a good tractor make all the difference. No amount of cash would convince me. Huge respect to the experts who fearlessly take that on. Have you seen a vehicle uprooting trees? It's a perfect example of versatility in action. This innovative method harnesses the power of a car to simplify the complex task of tree removal. This truck is truly getting put to the test. Fully loaded with timber on a steep, slippery mountain road. Conditions like these are every driver's challenge. The mud is relentless, and the weight's not making it any easier. The driver's skill and patience are really shining here. But there's that blue tractor waiting in the back just in case. The suspense is real. Will the truck power through solo? Or is it time for backup? That's it for today. What caught your eye the most? Drop a comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe so you never miss out. See you soon.